Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate hub for no-nonsense reviews on tech and accessories that actually make your life easier. And today, we're talking about the best mirror for phone users, the Kiorafoto 2.2-inch magnetic selfie mirror. Whether you're into vlogging, streaming, or just taking your selfie game to the next level, this compact yet powerful gadget might just become your favorite everyday essential. Let's face it, back cameras offer far superior quality compared to your phone's front camera, but it's always been a struggle to frame yourself perfectly without being able to see. Well, not anymore. The Kiorafoto magnetic mirror changes the game by letting you use your back camera for selfies, and still see yourself clearly. Simple idea, big impact. This mirror is just 2.2 inches in diameter and only 5 millimeters thick, so it's ultra slim, pocket-friendly, and won't add bulk to your phone. It's made of lightweight but durable ABS, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, known for its toughness and heat resistance. The round convex shape is designed to give you a wide-angle view, which means you get more of your background or group in the shot. And remember, this is a convex mirror, not flat, so you get that broader perspective, which is exactly what you need for vlogging, selfies, or quick check-ins before hopping on a video call. Now here's where it really gets smart, the magnetic design. If you've got an iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or even the latest iPhone 17 with MagSafe, this just snaps right on. It works seamlessly with both official and third-party MagSafe cases too. But wait, if your phone doesn't have built-in magnets or you're using an Android, no worries. The package includes a magnetic metal ring so you can still attach the mirror securely. No adhesive mess, no clips, just strong magnetic grip and zero residue. Let's say you're a content creator. You want to shoot crisp 4K video with your rear camera, but you still need to monitor yourself. This mirror solves that instantly. If you're a student jumping on video calls or live streaming, it's a fast way to check your framing before going live. Taking group selfies? You'll love how much more fits in the frame. And thanks to its slim form, it slips right into your pocket or bag, or even stays on the phone without getting in the way of regular use. Think of how often you shoot with your phone, whether it's daily Instagram stories, spontaneous street photography, or behind-the-scenes shots. This mirror doesn't just improve quality, it makes using your best camera actually practical. It's not a gimmick, it's a smart upgrade for any phone photographer or casual user who just wants better shots. So here's the deal. The Kiorafoto 2.2 magnetic selfie mirror might be one of the smallest phone accessories you'll own, but it delivers outsized value. Simple to use, universally compatible, and super helpful for content creators and casual users alike. If you want to unlock your phone's full camera potential without investing in pricey equipment, this is the tool for you. If you like this review, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more real-world gear breakdowns just like this. Got questions about this mirror or want us to review something else? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.